Welcome to TFA 2.0. So today I am going to discuss solutions of BPSC lecturer 2022 computer science exam. This is set B. So I am going to tell you solutions of 1 to 6 questions in this session. So in first question you have to find complement of A3. So you know this is bounded lattice. In bounded lattice, if you find complement of A, suppose complement of A is B, then A join B must be equal to 1 and A meet B must be equal to 0. But in this case, if we try using option B, C, D, we are not getting 1 and 0 as join and meet. So answer for this question is complement of A3 does not exist. Now in second question you have to find total number of vertices in the graph. So here we got graph. You know graph is defined as combination of vertices and edge. Vertices is given, age is given, degree is given, and it is asking total number of vertices. So you have to apply handshaking theorem. In handshaking theorem, summation of degree with vertices that must be equal to 2 times of age. So if you apply that formula, so you will get x equal to 13. So C is the correct option for question 2. Now in question 3, it is asking chromatic number for Kn, where Kn is n regular graph. So in regular graph, it is adjacent to remaining n minus 1 vertices. So if you observe n equal to 4, then we require 4 color, that is red, green, blue, yellow. For n equal to 4, chromatic number is 4. For n equal to 5, chromatic number is 5. For n equal to 3, chromatic number is 3. So for Kn, chromatic number is n. Now if you solve question number 4, it is asking which of the following graph is non-directed. So option 1 is non-directed. So that means for question number 4, if you observe here, graph 1 is not connected graph. So B is the correct answer for question number 4. Now in question number 5, again you have to apply handshaking theorem, that is summation of degree with vertices equal to 2 times of age. If you solve, you will get x equal to 9. This is very similar question to second. Now in question 6, if you observe here, it is given an is given and a naught is given, then you find a1, a2, a3 and a4. So you will get a4 as 141. So if you need more sessions, then please write in comment. I will give solutions from 1 to 80. If you like this, then subscribe also. You can share with your friends also. Whatever feedback you write in comments, I will try to improve that. Please like and subscribe.